welcome to another new video. In this video, I'm going to discuss very important SQL question. So watch this video till end. The question is write a SQL query to find top two highest paid employee in each department, and they have given if there is any tie in a salary, the employee should receive the same rank. So they have given a two tables. Table 1 is a department, table 2 is a employee. So they in a department table we have a two department and a employee tables. If you see, department ID is a common in a department tables and a employee tables. So in a employee tables they have given a employee name, salary and a department ID. Employee tables is a partitions by two department. One department is a IT, second department is a HR. So let's read the question once again. Write a SQL query to find a top two highest paid employee in each department. If their tie in a salary, the employee should receive a same rank. If you see in a department 1 which is given a department ID, so they have we have a two employee which is Akash and Priya have a same salary. So in a question they have given if the salary is the same, tie in a salary, we need to give a same rank. And a second is a Suresh, we have a salary is a 85,000. And if you see in a department 2 we have a two same salaries which is a Neha and a Vikram, they have a tie in a salary. So we need to give same numbers to both salary, and Amit have a 60,000 salary. So second highest salary in a department ID 2 is Amit. So let's start this query. I'm going to use CTE, like the common table expressions, to first find the rank of each salary in each department. So I am going to give with the ranked employee as, and I'm going to select, first I'm going to select employee name and the salary. Employee, I'm going to select EMP name and salary. Okay, I'm going to select EMP name and salary from which table? From employee tables. And also we need a department. But if you see, we need a department. But if you see, department present into a department table. So I am going to join employee tables and a department tables using a department ID to get the department name, I can say. So I will give a alias name as I can say employee, and I am going to join with department tables. So I'm going to join with the department sorry, I'm going to join with the department. I'm going to join with the department tables and giving D as a alias name. So D dot depth underscore NAME, and these employee ID and every salary from a employee tables. Okay, as a join on, and we are going to use which on conditions on e dot department id is equal to, second table is d dot, which is a department id, dept id. Here is the department id. So I'm joining two tables, employee and a department tables, on a basis of condition dept id. Also, if you see, first we need to find rank. So first we need to find rank of a salary in each department. So for that we are going to use the windows function. But if you see, we have a three windows function. First is a row number, second is a rank, third is a dense rank. But I'm going to use the dense rank function. Why? Because in a question they have mentioned, if there is a tie in a salary, the employee should receive the same rank. Tie in the salary means, if two employee has 5,000 salary, 5,000 salary for Akash, if you see, and 5,000 salary for Priya, if you see, they have a two employees with the same salary. So if I am using the dense rank, in a dense rank we can give a same numbers when the salary is the same, using a partition by clause. So let's first discuss the difference. First is, if I am going to use the row number, then it will assign a unique number to the each row. It will not uh, find if the duplicate is there, value salary is there or anything. It will give the numbers like 1 2 3 4 to anyone. So if second is the rank window function, if I am going to use the rank give windows function, then it will gives the same rank for a same value. For example, I have a same rank 5,000 salary for both employee, and 3,000 salary for another employee. So it will give one rank to the first employee, 5,000 salary employee, one rank to the second 5,000 salary employee. But it will skip the number after a duplicate. So it will act like a 1 1, and it will skip the number, and it will directly give a third number to third highest salary. But if you use the dense rank function, so it will give a for of both value, it will give a same rank, but it will not the skip, no gap in a ranking, it will not the skip, it will give a second value to the third employee. So as they have mentioned in a question, if there is a tie in a salary, the employee should receive the same rank. So that is the reason I am going to use dense rank function here in this query. So let's use the dense rank function, like dense rank function. And dense rank function is basically we can use with the over clause. In a over clause, we need to give, if we need to give any partitions by or order by. So I'm going to use, because we are giving a rank to each employee's salary using partition by department. So I'm going to use partition by, I can say partition by e dot depth id. This is partitions by e dot depth id, and order by e dot, I can say salary in a descending, because we need to find top to highest paid employee, top to highest paid employee, no, top to highest salary. So that's why I am going to order, I'm going to use the order by salary in a descending order. So first thing is done, and I'm going to give this dense rank function as I can give a salary rank. Okay, let's give a salary rank as a alias name. Salary rank as I'm going to give as a alias name. So first, let's see the result what we are getting in that CTE function, like common table expression function. So select, I can say star from that CTE. Let's run this CTE and let's see if we are missing anything or not. Okay, in a select statement we are missing as. Okay, let's run once again and let's see. Okay, now if you see, we got the result in a city like salary of each department in a descending order. If you see, I have used the dance rank function, so it has given a same if Akash and Priya have a same salary in a IT department, so it has given a same salary rank. Suresh has a 85,000 salary, so it has given a second number. So in a question they have mentioned, if there is a tie in a salary, the employee should receive the same rank. So that's why I am using a dense rank function. And okay, now we need to find only salary. The question is, if you see, find the top to highest salary. So we need to find top to highest salary in each department. So I am going to select employee name from city ranked employee name, and I can say department name. So department name, and third I'm going to select salary. Okay, employee name, department name, and salary from rank tables, where as they have mentioned in a question, top to highest paid rank salary in each department, where I can say, where rank of a salary rank, where salary rank it should be less than equal to 2. So I will get top to highest salary of each department. Let's run this query once again and let's see what we have got. So in a IT department, these are the top two salaries. In a HR department, these are the top two salaries. So if you like this video, please share, subscribe, and if you have any doubt regarding these questions, so write your doubts in a comment sections. Thank you.